What impact did the missile strike on the Kyiv Monastery have on the local community? The answer goes beyond buildings and rubble, revealing deep emotional and cultural scars that still ripple through Kyiv today. The missile strike on the Kyiv Monastery caused significant damage to centuries-old structures that embody Ukraine's rich religious and cultural heritage. Many historic buildings, some dating back hundreds of years, were partially destroyed or heavily damaged. Priceless religious artifacts and icons housed within the monastery were either lost or put at risk, representing an irreplaceable loss not only for Kyiv, but for global cultural history. Beyond physical damage, the missile strike deeply affected the local community's emotional well-being. Residents expressed shock and grief as they witnessed a sacred site reduced to rubble. The attack stirred fears about personal safety and the vulnerability of Ukraine's cultural landmarks. For many, the monastery symbolized resilience and identity, so its damage felt like a direct hit to their collective spirit. In the wake of destruction, the local community rallied together to protect what remained of the monastery. Volunteers, clergy, and government officials coordinated urgent restoration efforts to stabilize the buildings and salvage remaining artifacts. This collective response demonstrated strong resilience and a commitment to preserving Ukraine's cultural and spiritual heritage, turning tragedy into a powerful act of solidarity. The missile strike on the Kyiv Monastery was more than a physical blow. It tested the emotional strength and cultural identity of the community. Yet, their resilience and unity to protect this heritage highlight the human spirit's power to overcome devastation. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.